In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a named range in Google Sheets. Named ranges are a simple way to make your spreadsheets cleaner and your formulas easier to read. Instead of typing a long cell reference like A2 to A100 over and over, you can give that block of cells a meaningful name, and then use that name in formulas and charts. Let's walk through it together, step by step. Start by selecting the range of cells you want to name. Click and drag to highlight one continuous block that belongs together, like your list of sales figures or a column of dates. Keeping it to a single, uninterrupted range helps avoid confusion and ensures the name points to exactly what you expect. With your cells selected, go up to the top of your sheet and click the Data menu in the toolbar. This is where Google Sheets keeps many of the tools that help you organize and manage your information. From the drop-down that appears, choose Named Ranges. When you click that, a panel will slide in on the right side of your screen. This panel is your control center for creating and managing names tied to specific cell ranges. In that panel, click Add a Range. If you already highlighted the cells, you'll see their reference filled in automatically. This is a good moment to glance at the range and make sure it matches what you selected. Next, enter a name for the range in the Range Name field. Pick something clear and descriptive, like total sales or start dates. Names in Google Sheets should begin with a letter, avoid spaces and special characters, and shouldn't look like a cell reference such as A1 or B2. If you need separation, use an underscore or capitalize the first letter of each word. Good naming now saves confusion later. When you're happy with the name, click Done to save the named range. You'll see it listed in the panel, confirming that everything is set. From here on, anytime you write a formula, you can use your new name instead of the cell coordinates. For example, rather than summing A2 through A100, you can write a formula with your named range, which makes your sheet more readable and easier to maintain. As your data grows, named ranges also help keep formulas consistent and reduce errors caused by dragging or editing cell references. That's all you need to create a named range in Google Sheets. Keep your names short, descriptive, and consistent, and you'll find your spreadsheets become much easier to navigate and understand.